For our last story, the U.S. Consulate General Kolkata hosted the United States Air Force Band of the Pacific at St. Anthony's College. As one of the premier U.S. musical units in the Indo-Pacific, the band's performance enthralled the students, including those from Bethany Society and other schools, faculty members, musicians, and others. Senior Airman Colby Parker, a band member, expressed enthusiasm about their inaugural performance in India, describing the experience as absolutely amazing. The band is scheduled to perform at the Evening Club in Shillong later tonight.